Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. On today's menu, I'll be making this delicious yogurt loaf you'll absolutely love. Let's jump right in. Here are my ingredients. I have some all-purpose flour, yogurt, sugar, eggs, some melted butter, and over here I have some salt, some vanilla, and some baking powder, and I have some slivered almonds. The almonds are optional, but it does add a little bit of crunch to this loaf. So I'm going to start off with my eggs and sugar. This is by no means the order you have to go in with, but I'm going in and I'm going to go ahead and mix the sugar and the eggs until it's somewhat light and fluffy. Then I'm going to go in with my melted butter and I'm going to add my yogurt. This is Greek yogurt, and I'm going to go ahead and mix this well to combine. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with my vanilla and I'm going to mix that in as well. Then I'm going to get me a sift and I'm going to go ahead and add the flour and the baking powder and salt and sift these in, and I'm going to mix well just to combine. You don't really want to over mix. Then I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven in the meantime up to 350 degrees and allow that to come to a nice temperature. And for this recipe, the full recipe will be linked down in the description box down below, so you could go ahead and check it out if you do decide to try this recipe. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment if you have any questions. So here I am. I went in with my spatula just to get the sides and just mix thoroughly until it's nice and smooth, and that's it. I went ahead and greased this loaf pan that I'll be using. So I grease with some cooking spray and I add some flour for safety to make sure that it doesn't stick. So in with my batter, and I'm going to level this off and I'm going to go ahead and add my slivered almond on top. The slivered almond gives it a good texture, a little bit of crunch with a little softness. So yeah, it's optional, but it's needed. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my almonds. Then I'm going to use my spatula just to make a little line in the middle, so once it bakes, if it bursts, it only has one split in the middle. So you could try this tip and tell me if it works for you. So into my oven for about 1 hour. So after 1 hour, this is what it's looking like. I'm going to go in with my skewer and show you it's nice and done. You want to allow this to cool down before removing it from the pan, then allow it to cool down some more before cutting into it. This is what it's looking on the inside. It was super moist and oh my god, divine. Perfect with a cup of tea, coffee, or just as is. This was so good. My entire family enjoyed it. That's it, my beautiful people. Thank you so very much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye-bye.